Welcome to HYCM Insight with myself, Giles Coughlin. The market mood for the session ahead is as follows. Now, according to Goldman Sachs, copper might be mispricing Russian supply risk. The disorderly moves seen in nickel have so far missed the copper markets, as markets expect Russia's 4% of global production of copper to be absorbed by world markets. The thinking is that most of Russia's copper goes to China, and China will simply replace Russia's supply from Western markets. However, Goldman Sachs say this thinking may not accurately reflect the reality of copper markets, actual supply risk, and they have an elevated super cycle bull target of $12,000 per tonne. Now, over the last 15 years, copper has risen 9 times with an average return of 2.36% between March the 29th and April the 10th. Does this mean that copper could be worth buying if Russian supply risk has been mispriced? And if Goldman Sachs analysis is correct. Remember, HYCM clients can access this SeasonX product in order to analyse for themselves over 25,000 different currency pairs, indices, commodities, as well as individual stocks. So please do contact your account manager for a free trial to get started right away. Major trade risks. If the Russian-Ukraine crisis fades, then commodity markets may sell off on hopes of supply levels returning to pre-crisis levels, and this would invalidate this outlook.